Hi, my name is Colin, and I came to BayView Dental to get full upper and lower crowns. About 15 years ago, I had all crowns put in place as well, and the quality of the work wasn't that great, but it was what I could afford at the time. Actually went out of the United States to go get it done, and so I had problems. The crowns weren't done properly, and I had all kinds of issues and all kinds of problems. And when I went to go visit other dentist offices, they were very judgmental about the decisions that I made. And when I came to BayView, they were, again, very welcoming and not judgmental, I guess is the best way I could describe it, and wanted to help me get my teeth fixed. So I came in to BayView, sat down for a consult, and they just went through every aspect of it, what needed to be done, what, obviously the cost was going to be, but never pressuring me to, do anything that I didn't want to do or needed to do. So they were very good about that aspect of it. And they took all my old crowns off on the top first. Then I came back for a second day for the bottoms. But it was basically all done very, very well, very painless. They just do a great job. They just know how to handle those types of situations really, really well. Aesthetically, my teeth are much nicer looking now. And that was a big part of the design and the consult, was not just to say, okay, we need to fix this because of your root canals and so on, but also let's make it look nice. That didn't really happen when I had it done the first time. It was more just get them done and go on from there. So aesthetically, they look great. I don't have the problem with my gums. I don't feel like I have any pain on any of my teeth now, which I did before. So the day-to-day, living with my new teeth has just been fantastic.